Jacob, your lunch is ready. Hey, you want me to make you one? It's a turkey rainbow wrap. Okay, well, come on. Start with our tortilla. Now, do you want cream cheese or mayonnaise? Cream cheese? Okay. So just gonna spread a little bit on here, just like we would with the mayonnaise. And then, let's see, how about some cheese? All right. Put this on there. I love cheddar cheese. I know you do too. Okay, then we'll put, how about we put our turkey on next? And then, ooh, you know my favorite color is red. Should we put some tomatoes on there? Oh, come on, they're really yummy on a turkey wrap. You give it a try? Okay. All right, we'll just put 2 of them on this time. Maybe next time you'll want more. And then how about we finish it off with some lettuce? Oh no, I forgot my extra special ingredient. Can I add my extra special ingredient to this wrap? Should I tell you what it is? It's an apple. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a couple slices on here. All right, how about we will do maybe 4 slices of apple on this wrap. All right. Okay, ready to wrap it up? Okay. And then we'll cut it so it's a little bit easier for you to eat. Get your plate. All right. What do you think about having some milk with it? Yeah? Okay.